Hello and welcome. My name is Tom Clark and today I'm going to be cooking sausage and mash and vegetables. I'll show you the preparation and I'll do you a quick kitchen tour. Here we go. So this is the kitchen. There's a door. There's the oven. It's a very small kitchen. There's the oven, wonderful. There's the cupboards. Cupboards are full of food, look at that. The microwave's actually in the cupboard. That's good. So I will start off, I'm going to start cooking the sausage, turn on the grill. Put it on 250 to get it nice and hot. Make sure that's at the top. We don't have a proper grill tray, so we're just using a normal tray. Got my sausages here. You can, of course, use vegetarian sausages, but I choose not to. Okay. Because I've got such a small kitchen, it's best to get everything prepared first. So I've got the sausages, got the spinach, and I've got the mash. With the mash, it is potato, carrot and Swede mash. You could make that yourself if you wanted, but in all honesty, nobody's got time for that. So I'm going to be opening up the sausages with a pair of scissors, if I can get in the damn thing. Oh, they're already cut, so I don't need to use any scissors to cut them because now they become in strings. So I'm going to cut all of these. Just balance that on there if I can. Spread the sausages out on the tray so they cook evenly. You also need to make sure you wash your hands after you've handled the sausages, because you've got to keep raw meat separate. Okay, the grill's getting nice and hot now, so I'm going to put these in the grill. And that's it. Okay, we'll chat back in a few minutes and see how we're doing. So, I've just checked my sausages and they're starting to brown quite nicely. And I've just turned them down a little bit. I don't want them to cook too quickly. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to put the spinach in the microwave, because when you buy frozen spinach, it is very condensed. If you bought a bag of spinach, you'd probably get all that much in a whole bag, but this is frozen, but it's also very waterlogged. So, time's wrong on there. Keep it, we had the power cut. So I'll put it on and then I'm going to drain the water out of it. Just going to turn my sausages over now. So as I say, the sausages are coming along quite nice, they're browning, so I'm just going to turn them over so they get brown on both sides. It's important to use the right tool. I've got this pair of tongs. This one's been a bit tricky. It's important not to get this these tongs from anywhere where they can come in contact with other food. Oh, one sausage hasn't turned over. You can just slide them back under the grill. I've got this set to 150. While that was done, I heard the microwave ping. So I'm going to get out the spinach and give it a drain. So as I say, the spinach, it's now been in the microwave a minute and a half. It's steaming slightly, but it's still kind of frozen, but it's very, very waterlogged. So if you give it a squeeze, you can see all that juice comes out, which some people would drink, but I'm going to pour it down the sink. So it's best to squeeze it out. Still leave a little bit of water in there, so it's nice and so it doesn't go too dry when you microwave it. You end up with like a gummy hand. Rinse it off. What I'll do now, I'll pop that to the spinach to one side, so that when the sausage is nearly ready, I can pop this back in the microwave and it'll be nice and hot. And that's it for the time being. I'm going to put the peas on. Got this one touch kettle. This isn't going to be very exciting, so I'll pause the video while this boils. So I've just checked the mash, it's nearly done. I'm going to put in the spinach again, just to finish it off. Because the sausages are coming along quite nicely now. Everything's coming together. So everything is cooked now. That's the spinach, the mash. There's the peas all cooked. Sausages are cooked there under the grill. I'm going to turn the grill off now because it'll still be warm. I'm just going to serve it out and then I'll show you the finished article. I've got the gravy there. Trouble with Aldi gravy, it doesn't ever mix up properly. You end up with these kind of nasty lumps really. Anyway. So everything's ready now. I used these tongs earlier on partially raw sausages, so I'm going to give them a good wash now because I don't want to get food poisoning. And I'll give them a quick dry with a tea towel. And then I'll serve the sausages out. Wonderful. And these are sausages all cooked and brown, lovely and delightful and done. And that's it. Sausage, veg and mash all done. And then you just pour the gravy on. Wonderful. Actually I might have a bit more. And that is how you cook sausages, mash, veg and gravy. Job done. Now I'm going to sit down and enjoy it.